the black one would... Hey guys, so today I'm basically going to be showing you everything I know about false eyelashes. I know some people like really struggle putting them on, at least with themselves. Sometimes they can put it on other people but not themselves. And so today I'm going to tell you how I put them on. I don't know if it'll help. I don't know like if it'll do anything for you, but this is just what I do. And also check out my Calvin Klein shirt, like. But I'm also going to be showing you how to clean your eyelashes, because if you didn't know, you can actually reuse them. After so long though, you need to clean them because they're going to look kind of nasty and you're not going to want to wear them. They're not going to look good. So I'm also going to be showing you how to clean them, and also I'm going to be telling you about the new viral eyelash kind of hack. I don't know if I have any eyelashes that I can do, like use to show you, but I will just try to help you with that one too. Sorry, I had to fix the camera. There was like the little thingies like reflecting, I don't know. But anyways, if you want to see how I put on my eyelashes, what I do to clean them, and everything in between, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I kind of moved a little bit closer. I didn't want to move the whole camera, but I moved a little bit closer so you could kind of see what I'm doing. So first, I've already cut these lashes. I've been using them for a while. They're a little rough, but they're still wearable. I haven't cleaned them yet. So they're obviously my eye length. You need to cut them to where they go perfectly on your eye. And, oh gosh, I dropped it. So what the first thing you're going to do after you cut them, measure them, is you're going to take eyelash glue. Now I use the Duo Eyelash Adhesive. This is the clear white one. I think the black one would... I think the black one would work better only because sometimes when the white dries, if you put too much on, you tend to be able to see it. So you might want to purchase the black one, but the white one works too. I mean, obviously I use the white one, so it's just really whatever you're comfortable with. So you just put, like, you don't put a lot because then it's going to take longer to dry. You're going to be waiting longer. It's just not a good process. And be careful because this stuff will shoot out and you will have it all over your eyelash. But then you're just going to coat it lightly. And then you're just going to wait for it to dry. I tend to wait about a minute or two. It just kind of depends. Usually I'll just, before like I put on my lashes, I'll put on my mascara. And I'll put the mascara on while I'm waiting for these to dry. So you can really do whatever you want. I mean, if you need to, you know, finish your contour, your highlight, or whatever you're, you know, needing to do, you do it, honey. Okay, I think this one is basically dry, and you don't want it completely dry, obviously, but you do want it kind of tacky. So I'm going to hold it in the middle. I use these little applicators. It doesn't matter what you use. You can use tweezers, your fingers, whatever you're comfortable with. But I use these. They come in the package with the eyelashes usually. And I'm going to hold it in the middle, pretty close to where the glue is. And I'm first going to, wait, which eye is this? Okay. I'm going to first place it in the center. Oh gosh. And if it doesn't stick, just be careful not to get the glue everywhere. And if it doesn't stick, it's not a big deal. Just press it on there. And then do the sides. It doesn't matter which side you do first. Just make sure that they are on there. Once I've kind of got it all on there, I'll go and I'll squeeze the lash to the lash line. This way it looks like they're a lot closer together and they look a lot more natural, because obviously these are not my real eyelashes, but they do look better. And voila! You have one eyelash done. It just really takes practice. Your first time, even if you do watch this video and you go and do it, you're not going to get it perfect the first time. I used to be so mad. I would struggle so hard when I would first do it, and I would get so mad. I literally want to just snap these things in half because I couldn't get it, but it does take practice. So if you have a day where you just want to sit down and practice that, you'll get better at it the more you do it. And so now I've already put glue on this other one, and I put a little bit of too much glue on this one. So it's going to be a little bit harder to put this on, but I'm going to do this one, and you can just kind of watch it, and I'll be back. Okay, now I have both eyelashes on, and they're going to look something like this. Like I said, it does really take practice, so don't get so upset with yourself if you can't do it the first time. So this is what they're going to look like. This one's not on that well, but you know, we're just going to deal with it for the sake of this video. Okay, I just realized that my mic was not turned on, but I didn't have it plugged into the camera, so you'll be able to hear it. I don't know how good the audio will be, but you know, we're just going to deal with it. So this is how I do my lashes. Now I'm going to show you how I clean the lashes, and I will do the lash hack. Okay, now you're getting really up close and personal with my table, but you're going to take just 2 pads. And now that you have those 2 cotton pads, and you're just going to place them down somewhere, and you're going to take the eyelash and you're going to put it right there on one of the cotton pads, and you're going to pour some micellar water all over the cotton pad. It is okay if you get it all over your table like I'm doing. It is perfectly fine. And now both of the cotton pads are wet, and what you're going to do, I actually poured the micellar water on top of this eyelash too, and it's perfectly fine, it doesn't matter. And now you're going to place these 2 on top of each other, kind of smushing them down, and you're going to leave them together like this for 30 seconds. So we're going to leave this here. This has been sitting here for about 30 seconds. It's only one of them, but it's going to look kind of like that. It already looks a lot better. And now, after I do that, I'm just now going to take the micellar water again. This is the micellar water up close. It's from Garnier. You can use any micellar water. It's going to do the exact same thing. And I'm also just going to take a Q-tip, and I'm going to drown this Q-tip in the micellar water, and I'll show you what I do with the eyelash. So I'm going to just pour the micellar water all over this, and now I'm going to take this eyelash, hold it down with my finger, and just kind of brush through the eyelash strands with the Q-tip. And you can do however you want. You can scrub it like this, brush through it like this. It really doesn't matter. Just make sure you get all of that gunk off of it. And I mean, I thought these were really dirty, but obviously they weren't too bad because, I mean, that's not really that bad. And then you are basically done with that, and your eyelashes will look a lot cleaner. You can obviously redo this as many times as you need to make sure all the glue gets off the band, all of the like mascara and stuff is off, and then your eyelashes are good to go. You can rewear them. Obviously, I cleaned the ones I had on because they were looking a little rough. But now I'm going to show you this new viral eyelash hack that's been going on. So, apparently you can take any eyelashes, like from the dollar store, anything, and you can scrub them with a spoolie, and it makes them look like voluminous, like really expensive lashes. So I'm going to be taking these Ardell lashes. These are the 105 ones. I honestly hate these lashes because they look so fake, and they look, I don't know, I just don't like them. So let's see if we can make it, you know, look bougie. So we're going to take this, and we're just going to scrub it. They say you can scrub it any way. It doesn't matter. And once you scrub it for a while, it's supposed to start looking like, you know, special. Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but this is the lash that I just like scrubbed, and this is the lash that I have done nothing with. And there's not like a huge difference, but then again, I didn't scrub it that long. But this one does look a lot better than this one. I would much rather wear this eyelash than this one. So I'm pretty sure this lash hack is an A+ for me, because I hate going to the dollar store needing just an eyelash that I just need for like one night. I don't have any and I need one, and I literally cannot like pick one out because they're all look just like cheap and fake, and I hate them. And so this is a good hack to, you know, bump up your eyelash game when you're out of eyelashes and you just need a quick set. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, but before I leave you, I would like to tell you about this brand that I personally think is pretty great. This is Firmo. It is an eyelash company, or not eyelash. This is an eyewear company. There's like glasses are no more than $39. They have sunglasses and they have regular eyeglasses. I received this in the mail the other day, and it comes in this kind of case. It has a little cleaner. It also comes with this case, and what's in here? I think it just tells us about the brand and stuff. And so these are the glasses. They feel nice, they feel sturdy, they feel like they don't feel bad at all. These don't have any prescription in them. I kind of feel like I look like Harry Potter. I don't really like this style that I got, but I like the glasses. Like, they feel nice, they feel like heavy, they don't feel like cheap like Walmart glasses. I really recommend this brand. I like these glasses. These don't have any prescription in them, but if you were to know your prescription, like everything about it, you could get the prescription in your lenses, or you could just order them without any prescription and go to your eye doctor and get prescription put in them. They also have sunglasses. So yeah, you should definitely check out this brand. This is their logo right here. I'll put it on the screen. And I'm going to leave down below their latest offer so you can check that out. Definitely buy a pair because they're not expensive whatsoever. Like, you can even get sunglasses just for the beach that you don't want to use your expensive Ray-Bans or something like that. They have really good glasses and I recommend them a lot. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you did learn something about eyelashes today. I hope you can now put them on like a pro, because I know it took me forever to learn. But that is it, guys. So please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell to be notified when I update. You guys know the drill. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!